Welcome to STEMAC, and today we're gonna learn about a new topic which is known as Aufbau principle law. So what is the law? Firstly, we need to know about how to approach it in our personal life through. So firstly, when we move to a building, we have 3-story buildings. So what we first start from the lower place, then we go to cover up our furniture, then we go to upper place. So electrons do the same thing. It moves from the lower shell to come to have a stable situation and move to the upper shell continuously to cover up the whole orbital electron configuration. So that's what the Aufbau principle law actually describes. So firstly, what is the law? The law describes how electrons are added on at a time to the lowest energy level for orbital first before moving to the higher ones. If we just move to the, look, we have two state here. If we just move here, firstly that it won't gonna give it to a stable situation for this orbital or atom. So that's why those electrons gonna move precisely firstly, then secondly, second step of orbital list. So why this happens? Orbital went to the place where has a high probability of finding them. Orbital stay on the steps where it can move precisely first, then it gonna move to first, then second step. If every step have first step have 4, so they need to complete those 4 electrons first, then they gonna move to the second shelf to have a high stable situation for the here. Orbital are grouped into energy level. Those energy level known as S, P, D, F. Those are the energy configuration gonna happen through this one. So S, P, D, F, they first gonna move to S, P, D, F, then P, then D, then F. So those level gonna fill up those electron, and those filling are based on the energy level, not the electronic or atomic number. Those totally depends on the energy they're gonna consume or gonna give out. So why those order matters? Those filling orbital in correct energy order need ensure the atom is low energy state. So firstly they need to move that place, then that place. So when they move to the lower energy part, they're gonna have a stable situation for them. Then they're gonna have the ability to move to the upper state. Wrong feelings give unstable situation. First we told that if they move first here then here, it's not gonna give a proper situation here. So they need to move precisely from one step to another. So now we're gonna see those 3 electron configuration here. Oxygen. So here first we're gonna have S, then 1, so it gonna have 2, 1 S square, 2 P, then another S, 2 S square. So here 4, so we need to have 4 electrons more, P, 4. That's gonna be configuration for oxygen 8, and that's the actual Aufbau principle described. And also in iron 26, it gonna have same situation. They're gonna have S. So they have 26. So here gonna have 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. Yes. So firstly you're gonna move that 1 S square, 2 S square, 2 P 6. So here I have 10, 3 X square 12, 3 P 6, 12, 6 18. So we remain have 8, 4 S square 2. So here in this P, we're gonna use that P, so here we're gonna have 6. So this through the electron configuration complete in Aufbau principle, and later we're gonna know about a new law.